Arbitrus has completed the discovery phase, we can move on to the hearing phase by clicking the hearing button on the timeline. We're now in the hearing. It is important to remember that Arbitrus.ai does not run a formal factual trial like you might see in drama television for a simple reason that the mechanisms of truth discernment are inefficient for an AI. There's no reason to cross-examine someone if that information's already been uploaded in a deposition. We've written a bit about that in our prior study, and we encourage you to read our white paper. Specifically, our systems examine the discovery evidence holistically. Instead of leaving it to the parties, the bot can decide which information is valuable and needs to be discerned in order to make a dispositive claim. Here, we see a question about Riverfront paying Crescent by date, and then asking why the rest of the funds were withheld. Let's answer it in a very simple fashion. We paid $60,000 up to date, and the remaining funds were withheld because the construction was incomplete. The second question, what were the specific deficiencies in Crescent Bay's works, and how are they documented? We took several photos of the floors not properly set. Now, in a real hearing, you might have a much more extensive answer to this. In that case, remember to use the Save button to save your work, or work on it outside of the system, perhaps in a Word document, a Google Drive, and then upload it. Regardless of the case, you can finally push Submit when you're finished. Now we can see the responses both on the claimant's side, they had a number of questions and responses, and ours on the respondent's side. Now that the hearing is complete, we can proceed to the decision page.